Welcome. In this video I'm going to show how to derive the derivative of quotient rule if y is equal to u over v. Now let's prove for the y dx of if y is equal to u over v by using the first principle. Now let the increments of y, u and v be delta y, delta u and delta v. So by using the first principle, this will be y plus delta y equals u plus delta u over v plus delta v. Now let's collect the y to the right hand side, and remember that y is equal to u over v. Therefore we will have delta y equals u plus delta u over v plus delta v minus, instead of y it will be u over v. Now delta y will be equal to, the LCM for this will be v into v plus delta v. Now if this goes in v plus delta v, so it will remain v. So we have v into u plus delta u minus, and as well this one will be u into v plus delta v. Now let's open the brackets. We have uv plus v delta u minus uv minus time plus, that will be minus, and we have u delta v all over v into v plus delta v. So uv minus uv will be cancelled out, and it will remain delta y equals v du minus u dv all over v into v delta v. Now we have to divide both sides by the x. So when delta y, delta u and delta v approaches 0, so those will be round up to 0 and we will have dy dx. Now let's do it. So we have delta y over delta x equals v delta u over delta x minus u delta v over delta x all over v into v plus delta v, and delta v will be equal to 0, so we have v into v plus 0. So delta y over delta x will be approximately limit to dy dx, and it will equals to v du dx minus u dv dx over, this will be v times v, so we have v squared. Now we are now arrived at the derivative formula of the quotient rule. So whenever we want to do a function that is in quotient form, so this is the formula we are going to use. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video.